This large 11-acre property is located in Holden, Maine, which is in Hancock County. It has good road access from Clear Lake Road, just 1,200 feet from Frontage Rd, which is just off of Highway 1A. The lot is wooded with a good amount of trees, and at 5 miles away, you're close enough to town, yet far enough away to enjoy your privacy. The property is within walking distance from Phillips Lake, which readily offers water recreation such as boating and fishing. This 828-acre lake is home to many species of fish, largely landlocked salmon, lake trout, and smallmouth bass. Also, this property is enticingly within less than a mile from Lucerne-in-Maine Golf Course, built by the master architect Donald Ross. This renowned course is ranked by Golf Digest as one of the top 10 9-hole golf courses in the United States. The historic Lucerne Inn stands on that premises as well. This lot is perfect for any fisherman, golfer, or someone who wants to build and own a large wooded residence or retreat. So if interested, please call 815-953-0185 or email d_ADER7@live.com and click the link in the description for a drone video.